This video goes over the process for replacing the drive belt on the NordicTrack X22i and other similar models. First, remove the motor hood cover from the machine and remove the 6 screws from the motor hood shown here. Next, you will have to remove the left foot rail. To do this, raise the incline to gain access to the screws below the walking platform. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the left foot rail and lift the left foot rail from the machine. Then, loosen the left and right screws on the idler roller to give more slack to the walking belt. With the belt loosened, walk the drive belt off the motor as shown in this example. Once the old belt is removed, walk the new drive belt on using the same technique. Next, retighten the walking belt by following our video guide called Treadmill Walking Belt Adjustments to properly tighten and align your walking belt. Then reattach the left side foot rail with the 4 screws removed in the earlier steps from the underside of the walking platform. Finally, lower the incline, then attach the motor hood with the 6 screws removed from earlier. Snap the motor hood cover into place and be sure all parts are properly tightened before you power on and use your machine.